Morning. How you all doing? It's a lovely day today. It's not too cold. It's not too warm. It's lovely. Don't mind my jacket. I'm gonna take this off soon. Just keep it on for now. But it's plus 17 out here in Scarborough, Toronto. And I'm excited, as you can see. I'm laughing, smiling, because it's gonna be a nice day. Hopefully the week continue like this. So as you see here, we're out here, we're doing two houses. As you see, it's brick. And the stone, we have a bit of stone on the front. Majority of it gonna be brick. We already finished two sides, the back and one side of this one that we're doing. We already finished the side section there. Okay guys, let's dive right into the video and get this thing popping. Meet the man. Look, soon he's gonna be the next bricklayer. Digo. Guys, so as you see here, I measure my windows. It's telling me that we need to work once. So what you want to do, you want to mark ones down there and you post. We already have it, we already work for it down there. So we're going to work for this one now, and then after we're going to work for that one. We're trying to go right exactly to the top, that way we don't have to do any cutting afterwards. Minutes from nose already, we just not using it for my window. Dear man on the line, guys, you're probably not seeing him, but I'm going to flip the camera soon. We have Damien on the line here right now. He's spreading the monster. Actually, this is his first time and he's doing really good. I have to give him some props. Okay guys, let's install some brick ties. So guys, you want to put a nail, like I always mention in most of my videos, at the last hole in the bottom of the brick line. Knock the wall to hear the sound of the rafter on the inside, to know that's where you want to put your brick tie. In my case, I don't need to do that because I can see the nail here from the outside. So you want to knock it like this. You're trying to get the sound. You could hear it here is more solid. You notice? Paper now. So that's Josh on the line, guys. We have that's the bricklayer we have here. So don't be too hard on him on the comment. Then you take the chain if it's that far. Then you take the chain and take the gold chain.